We observe that most of the enterprises who have strategically invested into SAP applications to run their business generally achieved their baseline goals. These goals could be standardization of business processes, use single platform and getting rid of disparate legacy systems, etc. However, the real journey starts after achieving such milestones. We observe the ambitious businesses generally aim to gain or retain the leadership in their industry, to keep the competitive edge, to meet their customers' growing expectations, to comply demanding regulations, to achieve excellence in everything they do. We at AmDhan strongly believe that to achieve any or all of these goals, enterprise need a continuous improvement model. No single transformation program can achieve or sustain these goals. Therefore, it is an imperative for the leaders to view the application support and management function with a different lens. The purpose of this function should not be just keeping the lights on, but also be continuously improvising and innovating so as to keep the organization staying ahead of competition. AmDhan truly believe in this approach, and our services, which are underpinned by ITIL frameworks, robust service management processes which are enabled by the best talent in the industry. If you would like to hear more on how we enable continuous improvement while efficiently managing the current IT landscape, please feel free to get in touch with us.